Unlock the secret to a thriving online business by mastering Amazon FBA. The journey begins with meticulous product selection, identifying high-demand, low-competition items that have profit potential. Utilize specialized software to uncover lucrative niches and analyze competitor pricing and reviews to ensure your product stands out. Next, optimize your product listing for maximum visibility. This involves crafting engaging titles, detailed descriptions, and utilizing relevant keywords that shoppers are actually searching for. High-quality images are non-negotiable, showcasing your product from every angle and highlighting its key features. Once your listing is polished, it's time to drive traffic. Explore various marketing tactics, from running targeted Amazon PPC campaigns to leveraging social media advertising and influencer collaborations. Building brand awareness and driving external traffic can significantly boost your sales velocity and improve your product's ranking. As sales grow, focus on scaling your FBA business. This could mean expanding your product line, exploring wholesale opportunities, or even venturing into private labeling. Efficient inventory management and excellent customer service are paramount to long-term success, ensuring repeat business and positive reviews. By following these steps, from shrewd product selection to strategic scaling, you can build a profitable and sustainable online business powered by the immense reach of Amazon FBA. Start your FBA success story today.